All the tech strip and stuff was pulled up last night. I'm gonna start getting all the trim and all that extra wood off. I might leave the extra wood on these doors, but that wall, whoever freaking thought that was a good idea, I don't like it. But man, it just feels so creepy. Look at all that fur and dirt and stuff that was under the carpet. One of the reasons I don't like putting the carpet down on the floor is because you really get it clean once they pee on it. You get your carpet down over the tack board, you'll have like that much of a channel over there that mice can run back and forth. And it gives them a highway all the way around a room. There's enough room for them to get under that fucking baseboard. And it don't help to have all the rope on the walls either. I put this song out a while back, and I want you to hear the words of the song. It should resonate with the majority of people. Share it, like it, play it in your background. I will never copyright strike anybody for using my music in their videos. I made this music so I could play it in the background of my videos while I'm working on stuff. So I'm gonna tear this stupid board off this wall, play some killer music I wrote.
I sit back and smoke my herb. Most would say that's a little absurd, to sit around and feel superb. Is it wrong I don't follow the herd and feel the pity the working class does? Because being the lower is more of a struggle than having that money the upper class has to buy their many mansions and sports cars galore. We can't even be healthy without going in debt. Had to refinance our house just to pay for some teeth. What a tragedy it is that that's how it can be. The people at the bottom struggle to see how those of the wealthy live and succeed, while here at the bottom it's a struggle, you see. We don't have that money they do, you know. We weren't given those choices to waste that money, you see. Being this poor, the freedom isn't free. We live in paycheck to paycheck, you see that ain't free. They say it's inflation, but that's all a load of bullshit to me. Because there's plenty of places that do it for cheap, in another country or city, but never for free. Temu in China can do it for cheap. Down in Mexico they do it for teeth. These places that double and triple their money could do it for free, but living so rich, it's a pity to me. $1 million is rich, and as rich as I'll be. To have more than that is way too much to me, you see. More than $1 million is too much to be free. Taking up resources that the rich just don't need. This world is things backwards, and it's just strange to me that those without wealth are less likely to succeed. Because here at the bottom it's easy to live cheap, to buy the things that cost less than the rest. Those things that we buy don't last, then we buy them again, while those with the wealth just buy the things that last. Our cars aren't that new, so they break down, you see. Our houses are older, so we broke from fixing that too, you see. One small thing quits working, makes it a tragedy. Another small issue is our health, because that too isn't free. Living at the bottom is the problem for me. So as I smoke on my herb, please just let me be.
At least let's have her weed.
Just let me be.
Fucking, you gonna outlaw the goddamn paper that our kids write on in school? The lumber that we build our houses with? If it grows in nature's, you can't make that illegal. What the fuck? No box. Well, the box is in the wall. I mean, technically, it should be alright, but I don't know, man. It's pretty sketchy shit. Boy, you can definitely tell that this wall was done before COVID. Look at all that fucking wood and rope. Whoever did that, that was annoying. And it's ugly. I'm debating whether I'm going to tear off the sheetrock and put up new sheetrock, or if I'm going to go ahead and sand it and re-smooth it. Probably tear off the sheetrock so I can see what's behind it, since we did have termite damage in the kitchen. We would be able to see under the window and stuff, see if there's any water damage on this wall. I mean, I'd rather it be smooth walls anyway. As you can see here, we got like little holes right there. I did that one because You see how that board's like sucked in? You can tell that that wall over there has a little gap. When they attach this sheetrock to that 2x4, that 2x4 goes in too much. So it makes the wall warp right there anyway. So I gotta fix that. And then holes where I thought there was a stud right there, right there. And I gotta figure out this electricity thing. Take those things off and cap them until I get this wall done. But yeah, I'm glued up and everything, man. Took out all the nails because we live here while I'm remodeling it. I don't want the kids stepping on the nails. I always take them out. And I still ain't got the trim around the doors done. I haven't taken the doors off for the closets. Done that trim. I got this out here done in this freaking wall. Yeah, that's just that fucking wall, dude. And it's making me cough too. It's cedar, really strong smelling. I mean, it smells better than cat piss, I guess. But I'm done for today. I'm gonna take dogs for a walk. There is one question that I have for you. This right here, there's a little fence area. Let me show it to you. Over here, beside the house, I thought about putting like a little shed here, as far over as I could, to put like lawnmowers and stuff, and things like that. And making a fence right here to where a little square area over here. Maybe put a little hot tub out here and a swimming pool. My wife was always talking about putting a backyard oasis out here. And I don't want to make a big old fucking oasis because the dogs fucking dig holes in the yards and shit all over the fucking place. I just want to make it to where that's that window. I can make that a door to where you just walk right out that door. And I could even put concrete and pad over here. I could pour that myself and do all that. And just have like my storage from here forward, and then put a little fence right here to where this would be like a little oasis area. You think I should do that? Or do you think we should just leave it like it is and get done and move? I feel like we got to move. I got to sell this house so I can buy me a church. But tell me in the comments what you think.